Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Upwork account on your PC. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Go to the search bar and type Upwork. Open the very first link of it and log in to your account. After you have logged in, on the top right side you can see your profile picture. Click on it and then go to the settings. On the left hand side you can see there are various options. Now go to this contact info and then on the bottom right side you can see close my account. To deactivate or to delete your account permanently, you have to click on close my account. Click on it. Now choose why are you closing your account and then click on close account. And this is how you delete your Upwork account. It is a really simple process. Hope you understand what I did. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.